Welcome back to Smart Money Path. If you're enjoying our videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Why do 85% of millionaires stick to a budget? It's a question that might surprise many, especially those who think that having a lot of money means you don't need to worry about budgeting. But the truth is, budgeting is a crucial part of their financial success. It's not just about keeping track of expenses. It's about making informed decisions that align with their long-term goals. Millionaires understand that every dollar has a purpose, and they make sure to allocate their resources wisely. This disciplined approach helps them grow their wealth and maintain financial stability, even in uncertain times. Let's dive into their money management hacks. The first secret: automated savings. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective. By setting up automated transfers to savings and investment accounts, millionaires ensure that they are consistently putting money aside without having to think about it. This method takes advantage of the out of sight, out of mind principle, making it easier to save money over time. Automated savings also help in building an emergency fund, which is essential for handling unexpected expenses without derailing financial plans. It's a set-it-and-forget-it strategy that pays off in the long run. Millionaires always pay themselves first. This means that before they spend a single dollar on anything else, they make sure to allocate a portion of their income to savings and investments. This habit ensures that they are consistently building their wealth and not just living paycheck to paycheck. By prioritizing their financial future, they create a safety net that allows them to take calculated risks and seize opportunities when they arise. Paying themselves first is a non-negotiable part of their financial routine, and it's a practice that anyone can adopt to improve their financial health. They set aside money automatically for investments in rainy days. This proactive approach means that they are always prepared for the unexpected. Whether it's a market downturn, a medical emergency, or an opportunity to invest in a promising venture, having a dedicated fund for these situations provides peace of mind and financial flexibility. Millionaires understand that life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion is essential for navigating the ups and downs without stress. By making saving and investing a priority, they ensure that they are always in a strong financial position. Next up, smart spending. Millionaires are very intentional about how they spend their money. They don't just buy things on a whim. They carefully consider each purchase and its impact on their overall financial picture. This means looking for value and quality, rather than just going for the cheapest option. They understand that sometimes spending a little more upfront can save money in the long run. For example, investing in a high-quality appliance that lasts for years is better than buying a cheaper one that needs to be replaced frequently. Smart spending is about making informed choices that align with their financial goals. They track every dollar and look for value in every purchase. This level of attention to detail helps them stay on top of their finances and avoid unnecessary expenses. By keeping a close eye on their spending, they can identify areas where they might be overspending and make adjustments as needed. This practice also helps them stay accountable to their budget and ensures that they are always making progress towards their financial goals. Tracking expenses might seem tedious, but it's a powerful tool for gaining control over your finances and making sure that your money is working for you. No impulse buys here. Another tip: diversify investments. Millionaires know that putting all their money into one type of investment is risky. Instead, they spread their investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even startups. This diversification helps to mitigate risk and increase the potential for returns. By having a well-rounded investment portfolio, they can weather market fluctuations and take advantage of growth opportunities in different sectors. Diversification is a key strategy for building and preserving wealth over the long term. They don't put all their eggs in one basket. This approach not only reduces risk, but also opens up multiple avenues for growth. For example, while the stock market might be volatile, real estate can provide steady rental income. Similarly, investing in startups might be risky, but it also offers the potential for significant returns if the business succeeds. By diversifying their investments, millionaires ensure that they are not overly reliant on any single source of income. This balanced approach helps them achieve financial stability and growth, regardless of market conditions. Stocks, real estate, and even startups. Millionaires are always on the lookout for new investment opportunities. They stay informed about market trends and are willing to explore different avenues for growing their wealth. This might involve investing in emerging markets, exploring alternative investments like cryptocurrencies, or even funding innovative startups. By staying open to new possibilities, they can capitalize on opportunities that others might overlook. This proactive approach to investing helps them stay ahead of the curve and continuously build their wealth. And the golden rule? It's simple but powerful. Live below your means. This doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. Rather, it's about making conscious choices that prioritize long-term financial health over short-term gratification. Millionaires understand that just because they can afford something doesn't mean they should buy it. They focus on building wealth and financial security rather than keeping up with appearances. By living below their means, they can save and invest more, which in turn helps them grow their wealth even further. It's a mindset that anyone can adopt to improve their financial situation. Live below your means. This principle is at the core of their financial success. It allows them to save more, invest more, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Living below your means doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It just means being mindful of your spending and making sure that your expenses don't exceed your income. It's about finding a balance that allows you to enjoy the present while also securing your future. Millionaires know that financial freedom comes from making smart choices and being disciplined with their money. Fancy cars and big houses? These are often seen as symbols of wealth, but millionaires know that true financial success isn't about flashy possessions. They might choose to buy luxury items, but only if they can afford them without going into debt. This means paying cash for big purchases and avoiding high-interest loans that can erode their wealth. By being strategic about their spending, they can enjoy the finer things in life without compromising their financial stability. It's a balanced approach that prioritizes long-term wealth over short-term indulgence, only if they can afford them without debt. This disciplined approach to spending helps them avoid the financial pitfalls that can come with living beyond their means. By staying debt-free, they can focus on growing their wealth and achieving their financial goals. This doesn't mean they never use credit. Rather, they use it wisely and make sure to pay off their balances in full each month. This helps them maintain a strong credit score and avoid the high costs of interest and fees. It's a smart strategy that anyone can adopt to improve their financial health. Remember, budgeting isn't about restrictions. It's about freedom and peace of mind. When you have a budget, you know exactly where your money is going and can make informed decisions about your spending. This clarity helps reduce financial stress and allows you to focus on your goals. Budgeting gives you control over your finances and helps you avoid the anxiety that comes with not knowing if you'll have enough money to cover your expenses. It's a powerful tool for achieving financial stability and building the life you want. It's about freedom and peace of mind. When you budget like a millionaire, you are not just managing your money. You are taking control of your financial future. This proactive approach helps you stay on track with your goals and ensures that you are always making progress. Whether you are saving for a big purchase, planning for retirement, or just trying to get out of debt, budgeting can help you achieve your objectives. So, take control of your finances, start saving and investing, and watch your wealth grow. You can do it.